Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show how to build a basic spreadsheet visualization from scratch using the AnyChart Spreadsheets extension in Qlik Sense. Open your Qlik app and go to the Assets panel. Under Custom Objects AnyChart 4, drag the Spreadsheets table onto the sheet. With the object selected, open the Properties panel, go to the Data section, and click Add button. Select the new Data section, make sure Create Synced Sheet is enabled, and click Edit Data. Now add the dimensions and measures you want. This will give you two sheets, a default empty sheet 1 and a new data-populated sheet, Data Sheet 1. Next, delete the empty sheet 1 to clean things up. On the data sheet, select your table area. Go to the Insert tab and click Table. Click OK in the pop-up window. You can now adjust formatting. In our case, resize columns and rows, change fonts and alignment from the Home tab. Now, select your data again, go to Insert, and choose Insert Chart. Pick a chart type, click OK, and reposition it where you want. To save everything, go to the User tab and click Save to App. Now, try applying some filters or making selections in your Qlik app. You'll see the spreadsheet update instantly. Charts, tables, and even formulas react to the selected data in real time. That's the power of being connected to Qlik's associative engine. If you need to continue working on your spreadsheet in another tool, outside of Qlik, feel free to export it as a XLSX file. To do this, open the File tab in the ribbon, choose Export, and select the Excel format. Then click Export Excel File, give your file a name, and hit OK. Your download will start right away, ready to open in Excel or any compatible software. And that's it. You've built a simple, reactive spreadsheet using live Qlik data, ready to expand or share. Thanks for watching.